Clean Condo is the name of our condo care division. It's 70% of our employees. The move to bring those people onto our team to take responsibility for not only the linens and the bed coverings and the laundry, but also hiring the cleaners and the supplies was the beginning of an effort that we call condo care. And when we bought a building next door that became our operations center, we needed to put a name on it. And so at that point, we came to the conclusion we didn't want to put Liquid Life over there because it wasn't a guest services building, it was the Clean Condo building.
Our condo care team encompasses all of the back of the house departments, and that's vital to us because it keeps everybody aligned.
We are responsible for the broken and the dirty, and every time we enter a property, we are committed to fixing the broken and the dirty. We use commercial grade cleaning products. We sanitize every surface, disinfect from top to bottom, front to back. We can stand behind our clean bed promise because we change every linen, every quilt, sham, sheet, pillowcase, towel, everything, every time. And we have trained our housekeepers to have that eye. But for the first 10 minutes, we are inspectors, we're maintenance, and we're housekeeping. We go around the property and we're checking for anything missing, broken, damaged, out of place. And then we have a software system where we report all that back, and it prepares our maintenance teams and inspection team, puts everybody on a heads up so we can get everything done and into our time frame.
They have always been above gracious. When we have a problem, they're right there. They have never once said, you have to take care of this. They have taken care of this. They ask our permission to do certain things, but they are there for us.
I think it's actually a big deal that they own the entire supply chain throughout the whole experience. It's more of a top-down approach, so everyone's in line along the whole step and chain of command. And for me as an owner, that makes it a lot easier. I can track down problems, I can have things delegated easily. And to be honest, the main thing that I appreciate about that is the cleanliness. I walk into my units randomly whenever I get an opportunity, and they always surprise me at how clean they are. I've owned properties all over the United States and a few internationally, and they go a step further than what I've been traditionally used to in the past. And I really appreciate them for that.
That's what I need in my life, is something that's going well that I don't have to put my hands on and deal with.
Don't let your second home become a part-time job you don't want. Partner with Liquid Life and let us take care of all the details.